Hi, my name is Luis Gonzalez. I make cigar here in Newman Cigar Company. I make cigar for about 27 years. I started in Cuba. My grandfather used to grow tobacco in Cuba. He made cigar not by the school, not professional, but I was always curious to see how's the process. Then I went to a cigar rolling school. We are here in the Neman Cigar Company, which is the last factory in the whole country, make the hand-rolled cigar as a factory. So we are very proud of that. This building is been here since 1910, and we got in the first floor a museum, and we had all the history about this factory specific. You know, it's very popular because Tampa was created by the rollers in the past. So we try to keep the same tradition. About 100 years. We make now a very nice program, which is the hand rolling classes. Sometimes they don't realize how hard it is to make cigar by hands. It's very important because Tampa is created by the hand rolling. People moved to Key West, to Tampa, years and years ago, and made this city growing. It's very important the city keep this tradition, and all the people from outside try to see how Tampa growing.